Alex lives in Florida, and while his 2006 BMW 3 Series convertible might be perfect for the weather, it's getting a little long in the tooth and he needs something a little bit more practical for his kids. He's looking for something fun and unique that he can kind of upgrade and make his own. With a budget of $40,000, what car should he buy? Alex, first of all, get rid of the kids. You don't need them. No one needs them. You want that BMW convertible. As a BMW convertible owner, that's the right move. Now I hear you, you say, but I love my kids. Whatever, Alex. I have another solution for you. It's the FK8 Honda Civic Type R. Perfect car, exactly what you're looking for. It's all of the sportiness that you could ever want with a slick 6-speed manual transmission, really good power, a nice sound, interesting looks. They're not for everyone, but you know, they might be for you. And at the end of the day, it's just a Civic. It'll fit your kids, it'll fit all your kids' crap. You can get a dog, the dog will fit back there too. For your $40,000 budget, you can get one with kind of decent miles. It depends on where you want to go. If you want to use your entire budget, you can get a fairly low mile one. If you want to save a little bit of money, maybe put that in your back pocket for mods later, get one with higher miles. You'll be fine either way, it's a Honda. So, Alex, again, take my advice, get rid of the kids, you don't need them, blah, 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 keep your BMW. If that's not appealing to you, get a Honda Civic. It's exactly what you need. Do you guys agree with my choice? Let me know down below. For more car buying advice, check out Jalopnik.com.